SVR.
In Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Autauga County, southwestern Chilton County, Perry County, east central Hale County, southern Bibb County, northern Dallas County, until 5:45
There it is.
Daylight Time. At 4:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Marion, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greensboro, Radford, Vaden, Stanton, Parnell, West Centerville, Folsom, Bibb County Airport, Valley Creek Junction, Plantersville, Heiberger, Vadenfield Airport, Billingsley, Plicker, Lawley, Trio, Centerville, Maplesville, Judson College, and Morgan Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Bibb and Chilton,